Hey everyone, welcome back to The Silver Lining here on YouTube, or welcome if you're new here. I'm Sarah, and today I am debuting the October Joyful Jordan box. For those of you who may be new to my channel, welcome. Welcome to those of you who are returning as well. I just want to take a minute to introduce the Joyful Jordan box. The Joyful Jordan box is Jordan Essentials subscription box. That means that it's a monthly box. It comes to you at a value of over $40, and each month it's only $29. If you are a subscriber, the shipping is free and you just pay the cost of the box, which is $29 plus your tax rate. If you order it on a party order or you order it in combination with some other things and it's not on a subscription, you do pay the regular tax and shipping. If you're looking for a little bit more information about the Joyful Jordan box specifically, then check out the link down below. I will have it listed and you can see everything that's inside, along with a link to my web store, so you can see all the other amazing products that Jordan Essentials has to offer. But without further ado, I want to share with you what's inside the box this month. Inside the little box of awesomeness this month and every month, there is a postcard. This one is super pretty with the fall colors, and it says, "Fall in love with your life," and that is from Psalm 118:24. On the back of each postcard is a little blip about the products inside and a little picture. And already I can see the word cozy, which is our new fall fragrance this year, and it is amazing. Cinnamon, vanilla, and a little touch of home, which I think means clove. And so it's nice and warm and cozy. So this says, "Fall in love and get cozy with irresistibly soft, smooth, and glowing skin by pampering it with products that exfoliate, moisturize, and hydrate." So first is the Cozy Walnut and Orange Essential Oil Body Scrub. This is an exclusive product, so something to keep in mind about the Jordan Essentials Joyful Jordan box is that so many of the products are exclusive to the box. So you're really getting a chance to try things, see if you like them. It may be something that you see in a future sale or in a Joyful Jordan box again in the future. So this scrub says, "Embrace warm vanilla, cinnamon, and orange scent as you gently exfoliate with cosmetic grade pulverized walnut shells. Perfect for all over your body exfoliation. Apply a small amount to the natural loofah and smooth over your skin in a circular motion. It helps improve circulation and absorption." That also means that there is a loofah inside. So I don't know if you've ever seen these before, but they have a little strap on the back. It's a little bit of a terry cloth here, and then it has this natural exfoliating loofah here. So just put a little bit on here and then rub it over your skin in a circular motion to get that nice exfoliation. Oh man, this smells really good. This cozy fragrance, if you've tried it, then a touch of orange is really has me thinking cozy holiday atmosphere. So this is going to be great for those showers in the winter time when you're just cold enough and you just want to warm up in the nice warm shower. So this is going to be an awesome body scrub. Next is our Cozy Shea Body Butter. So this is not an exclusive item, but it is a full-size 4-ounce shea body butter in the cozy fragrance. So this will be great to use after the shower. Experience the ultimate hydration, soothing relief, and a touch of coziness, leaving your skin soft and beautifully scented with vanilla, cinnamon, and a touch of home. So this is going to be awesome for this time of year as well. And what a great box. It really is giving such cozy vibes. And then the last one is Hot Cocoa Kisses lip butter. So if you're familiar, we do carry this size of lip butter, but it's usually cherry, and this one is hot cocoa. It has just enough of a chocolate fragrance. Smells super good. Enjoy lips as smooth as a sip of your favorite warm drink, infused with jojoba oil and olive squalene to offer rich hydration and protection, making your lips ready to take on any kind of weather. So the jojoba oil and the olive squalene, I'm not sure if I'm saying that correctly, but that really helps to reduce wrinkles around your lips and mouth. Okay, and then just really quick, actually, this does talk about the loofah. The natural loofah is a versatile exfoliating tool that gently removes dead skin cells, leaving your skin smooth, soft, and rejuvenated. Use it in the bath or shower to promote healthy circulation, improve your skin's texture, and enhance absorption of your favorite skincare products afterwards. So this is great. Even if you don't want to use it with the body scrub, you could use it just with your shower gel. That will leave your skin so soft and smooth. Here is this dynamic quad of products. I love that there are 4 items in here. I love the postcard colors and the colors on the cozy products, plus the little hot cocoa. I don't know if you saw that, but it has a little s'mores with a little chocolate drizzle on there. So cute. So this box kind of gives me the vibe of like maybe buying 2 and pairing them a little bit differently, or maybe grabbing another product and making a couple different gifts. So this is gonna be so amazing for the holiday season. It's really kind of getting me in the mood for cooler weather and gift giving. So like I said, I will leave the link to this box down below. If you have any questions, please reach out to me in the comments. I'm always happy to help. But be sure, while you're checking out the Joyful Jordan box on my web store, to check out all of the other amazing, non-toxic, botanically based products that are great for you and everyone on your gift giving list this season. All right, thank you guys so much for being here. I hope if you enjoyed this, you give me a thumbs up before you leave. I hope that you consider subscribing, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.